guys, so the entrance is from here, and right now we're at the Dali Plaza, which is like a big modern museum. I think it was the longest walk I did until now. I think I walked for like 1 hour and a half. Don't mind the walk, but it's getting quite warm after a while, and I'm so sweaty, I swear I become. I think I have no more water left in my body, I just sweat it all out. Oh, I see a horsey butt. Oh, look at these cute frogs. Are those watermelon frogs? They're doing a dance. Dance to the air like you just don't care. Well, I'm just guessing, but I think the entrance is where the pink animals are. Okay, so the entrance is actually from here, and that's where the animals are. Great, so it's all in Chinese. Lovely. Okay guys, first up, the toilet. So I think this plaza is like a huge kids playground. Funny, I thought it's gonna be more like a museum. That seems so fun. Really fun to be a kid in Taiwan. Wow, that's so cool. Look how many balls. That's a huge ball playground. That's insane. It's like kid heaven. I want to play here. I wonder what's in here. I think it's like a skate rink. That's so fun. Here they have a cube and they can slide it all down. Here they have a cute little stand that sells popcorn, and I think that's the food court. So here in the food court they have bubble tea. I'll probably take some later. They also have dessert, which I'm not sure if they're vegan, but they do have donuts here. Some soups. That was the food court, but I'm gonna start with the plaza first. I think it's like an illusion museum.
Welcome to the drawing Jin in Chinese, and this is like 3D picture.
Okay.
So in Chinese and English means like sky, universe. Your curse like, how to say that in Chinese? How to say that?
Deflate.
Yeah. And there are electric inside, so
Okay.
for the dangerous, so for safety, so please go inside.
All right.
For interactive in some scenes, real life. How to say that?
So when I stand on it, it's gonna react?
Yeah. For some things.
Okay.
So are you scared of zombie?
If I'm-
Yeah, zombie picture over there.
Oh no!
So just be aware.
Okay. Wow! Oh my gosh.
Also made by mirror, and you extend.
Okay. That's insane. Wow. I feel like I'm walking on water.
The last one is called Jin in Chinese, and in English it's called mirror. Let's go.
Oh, it's like a maze.
Like a corner, like a four like.
Okay, so it just showed me the whole space, and I think now I'm gonna go back to the first room so I can explore it myself. That's so cool. Look, I'm standing in the sky. Okay, kind of got confused. Let's see if I can find the exit. It was from here. So here they have the very gruesome zombies and more of the robots. Oh, this one kind of looked like Iron Man. So that was the very beginning with the balloons room. It kind of looked like shiny eggs. They're all around me. So they're there on the ceiling. Hey guys. Okay, and from here we're continuing to the next location. So he said will actually interact with you. So as I stand, look, the ball is moving. You see it? Follow me. I feel like a magician here. Galaxy Beach. Ciao Dina. Look, whatever left of my nail color is shining in the dark. Okay, so the next room was... Oh wow, this one. Wow. And I got it all to myself. Wow, I really like this one, so colorful.
Do you think it's meant to be?
Wow, that's a really pretty one.
Energy. My battery's pretty low.
And I feel like being surrounded by colorful fireflies.
What a possibility. Come on, listen close. I am trying to see. You can go your way. We can stop all day. But we never see where we've been before.
Okay, so next to the next room. So that was the very last one. Wow, this one is so bright.
With no outfit until we're done.
Oh, it's so cool.
Not fooling anyone.
I can touch you.
It's only yours.
Pink. And we can continue here. Being here for too long can make you lazy.
Are we in a parody?
I see myself from every angle.
You and me, nothing isn't clear no more. Do we seem like charity? Or seem like anything at all? You got my curiosity. Come on, listen close.
Let's find the exit. Okay, so it costs like 699, which is like 70 shekels. It's not cheap, but it was a fancy watch nonetheless. Those one kind of look like an advanced version of Robocop. It's like an hologramma, so it looks like they come out to you. So if you're already here, let's see what's on the top. I like the Hawaiian minion, it looks so cocky. On the outside they have a fountain and they have lots of bunnies. I think they also have a lot of stores, but they're not open yet. They have some bags here. Oh, it's a husky.
So again, we end up blaming everyone. Just like we do.
They also have this place called Meow Emperor.
Nothing to gain. We're not fooling anyone. Needless to say.
So they have cat rings, everything cat-like. And they also have cat earrings. Oh, those ones are so cute. Quite expensive, but very cute. Maybe I'll take them.
Wondering if thousands of miles away, the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in.
Oh, they also have pins. Okay, so I just got myself those cute cat earrings from the Meow Emperor. Everything has to do with cats. They cost like 140 Taiwanese dollar, which is 104 shekels. So not cheap, but they're very, very cute. That's cute. They have a bouquet of dolls.
I'll start a brand new.
So they have all kind of snacks. And right there, they have a skating rink. Not ice skate, but roller skating rink. So this is the place. They also have English menu right there. They don't have soy milk, so I had to choose one of those drinks, and you get a buzzer. So I chose this one with 50%. So I took the drink. I think it's something with mango. I'm not completely sure. And she got quite a line since I ordered. The stand was completely empty, and once I ordered, now there is a line of like 7 people. So here they have a cool machine where you can make your own ice cream. I'm sure it's not vegan, but the idea is still cool. Just choose the ice cream, the topping you want. But of course, everything in Chinese. My drink is ready. Okay, let's try it. I hope it's not bitter. What a tiny, tiny straw. Okay, it's called Wu Win. Nice, not too sweet, with a slight taste of orange. It's like a green tea mixed with orange, so it's not too bitter. The orange gives it a bit of sweetness. Refreshing. Not bad. Hey guys, so the time right now is 3:30 p.m. and now I'm gonna head out to a fully vegan restaurant, which is like 50 minutes away from here. Hey, say goodbye, Dali Plaza. First I thought the name Dali is of the artist, but nope, it's just this name of this town. Taichung Software Park. And I need to cross, so when it's gonna turn red. That's how you cross the road in Taiwan. You need to wait for the traffic light to change red, because there is no traffic light for passengers. Okay, I'm on the bus. It stopped for me in the very last second. I think it didn't notice me, but it did stop. So now I have a 25-minute ride until I need to switch bus again. So I came across this store, and they have all those cute veggies. They're so cute.
And all the places you have been.
So I'm not quite sure where I am, but I think they have a big mall here and a lot of stands. They have food, but they also have a lot of accessories. So apparently it's called Asin Square. This place is big. Okay, that place was big. I think they have more stores outside. They also sell you some coconut, but I don't really like the taste of coconut juice. Okay, so I arrived to my next location, and now I'm gonna go to a place called Omi Vegetarian Kitchen. Like 7-minute walk. Okay, so I need to go there where the purple building is. I think it's this place, but they're not open yet. It says 5:30, which is in like 10 minutes. So I'm inside the restaurant. Okay, so this is the menu. Unfortunately, they don't have any English translation, but I can try and choose by the photo. So let's see what I want to take. And she said most of it is vegan. Okay, so I ordered the fried dumpling. I ordered this one, and I also ordered this one. You can try and use Google Translate. Okay, so I've just got the food. Here I have the rice with peas, onion and mushroom. And here I got the fried dumpling. Look how beautiful is that. It looks so crunchy, like a flower. And here I have some soy sauce. Okay, let's dig in. Itadakimasu. This is really good. I really like the feeling, but it's still so hot. I need to let it cool. The rice is nice. It needs a bit more seasoning, but if you add the soy in it, then it tastes really good. Still find it a bit hard to eat with shoes. Okay, so for dessert I got those two tiny steamed buns, or those still warm. I'm gonna try them now before I get completely full from the food and I won't have any space for them. So that's how they look. Wow, they're very hot. Maybe I need to let them cool a bit more. So that's what they filled with. It looked like onion and mushroom. Yeah, I thought they're gonna be sweet, but it's also onion and mushroom. So it's savory. Probably gonna be good with some soy sauce. They're really good, but I'm getting really full. Not good, but at the same, I got quite full. Okay, so that's as much I managed to finish. Plus somebody ordered stinky tofu and I gotta say, make it harder to swallow for me. The smell is so strong. He gave me a takeaway box. I can take my fried dim sum and little dumpling to go. Very nice. By the way, that's the price. All of this costs 560 Taiwanese dollar, which is not much.